Hi, welcome back. So remember when Rue and I were talking about brushing and then we couldn't floss his teeth? Well, today Rue and I set up craft day. Kind of looks like fun, doesn't it? Remember, we like to have fun while we work. On craft day, we're going to set up some really fun pretend teeth. Grab whatever you have at home. Big building blocks, an ice cube tray, maybe one of Mom's empty egg cartons, right? So we want to pretend what kind of looks like teeth. Now, I grabbed these and I grabbed some yarn, pipe cleaners. Frankly, I like the sparkly one. We're going to pretend that in between our teeth is where there's a lot of food and bacteria stuck in, right? Because remember, when we brush our teeth, we can brush away the plaque and the cavities and the food. But don't you think sometimes by brushing, maybe we're actually pushing food and bacteria between our teeth? And guess what? If it sits there for a really long time, well, first of all, it can make our breath stinky, but that bacteria and the food, when they're all combined together, can start growing cavities. So we're going to be healthy, right? We want to make good choices. So here's what we're going to do today. So I have my pretend teeth, and this can be food. I love pretending. And we also talked about some things that you can get from home to start making this craft with us. So I'll give you a minute. We'll wait. And when you come back, we're going to start something really cool and fun. What did you choose? I can't wait. I'm going to show you this, okay? This is what I came up with when you guys were out getting all of your craft supplies. Looks kind of fun, doesn't it? What does yours look like? You know what you should do? Have your grown-up upload a picture so we can see what your craft looks like. While we were working together, it'd be great to see what you guys did at home. Let's make one together. Now, I got my fun colored dough. And let's talk, let's pretend. What are we gonna pretend about? Let's pretend that our mouth is really dirty. How did our mouth get dirty? Well, we didn't floss. Remember, flossing is as important as brushing our teeth. Okay, here we go. So, yes, we talked about it takes a while for the bacteria in the food between our teeth to start doing their business. So if this is yesterday's supper and a fun little snack, did you know healthy foods can even grow cavities too? It's true, especially if we don't brush and floss. And this morning's breakfast. What did you have for breakfast this morning? I had pancakes. Now, if some of this plaque, right, mixed with food, has been in our teeth for a while, it gets really gross. And it gets kind of thick. And I'm not going to even fib, it gets kind of smelly. So, look at all that. All right, grab your floss. Which one are you going to choose? I'm going to get the sparkly pipe cleaner. All right, ready? So, here's what we need to do. When we start to floss our teeth, it's very important to remember to have not a lot between our fingers, but a little bit. When the string or floss between our fingers is little, we can gently go down between the teeth. And when we gently go down between the teeth, remember, our teeth aren't flat. They're almost like a straw. They're round. So we have to bring the floss down and curl it around that tooth. And be gentle and wiggle that back up. Ew! Did you see what just came out of my teeth? What came out of yours? Here comes another wiggling. Now, friends, I want to let you know, it's kind of tricky flossing our teeth. We have special gums between our teeth that are there for a reason. And we need a grown-up to help us floss. It's really true. because those gums between our teeth are there for a reason. They're there to keep our teeth protected and healthy. And you can practice with a grown-up in your house. And I would like them to really, really help you until you're good at using a scissors. When our little fingers get bigger and stronger and we can cut really good with scissors, then guess what? We're getting pretty good at flossing. So look what we did. How do your teeth look? We got all of the nooks and crannies and those tiny little crevices between our teeth pretty clean. That's how important flossing is. Remember, we can get the big stuff away from brushing, but that tiny stuff that hides between the teeth needs to be flossed out. Thanks for coming. Now we got to clean up our mess.